Hi guys, and thank you so much for visiting this channel. Today I will show you how to make moist and buttery cranberry orange muffins. Prepare all the ingredients and let's get started. Soak 40 grams of dried cranberries with hot water for about 10 minutes. Now cream together 130 grams of softened butter and 130 grams of sugar. Add in 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add half tablespoon of orange zest and 50 milliliters of fresh orange juice. Mix briefly until combined. Now let's add in about 180 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix until all ingredients are incorporated. Now it's time to add our plumbed cranberries and mix everything until combined. I personally like adding some chocolate chips, but that's optional. Divide the butter evenly between 10 muffin cups and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And this is it, our cranberry orange muffins are ready. Bon appetit!